On August the 17th, 2025, at approximately 1:24 a.m., Columbus police officer Damon Scales made a fool of himself at a Columbus nightclub and assaulted a female Columbus police officer who was working special duty. The altercation appears to stem from Scales observing a bouncer who allowed some friends to cut the line and get into the club. It appears in the video that Officer Scales attempted to cut the line as well and was stopped by security personnel. This sent Scales into what I can only describe as a drunken rage. The rest of his actions are clearly seen on the video.
I'll punch you straight in your shit, nigga. Hey, bro, what the fuck are you doing? Come on. Nigga, you know what the fuck I am, bro? What the fuck I am? Bitch ass nigga. Get out of here, come on. Let's do it.
Stop. Go inside. Go inside.
Yeah, I am. You ain't shit, bro. You ain't shit. Come on, chill. Let's go. Fuck them. Bro, come on, bro. Fuck that bitch ass.
Hey, $20 you left. I said $20.
Ask somebody else that weren't your friend. You got chill.
I understand. I told him to chill out. You got it.
I can't.
He's gonna get you down. What's over? I don't know.
I mean,
nigga. You gonna get fucked up with you, bro. Chill out. Hey, grab me with them, bro. I'm gonna fuck you up. Tell me what the fuck I am, bro.
Alright, I'll secure them after y'all leave. They do, bro.
Hey, bro, what the fuck are you doing? Come on. Tell me what the fuck I am, bro. Come on. You fuck ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Get out here. Come on.
Flag on the plate. Flag on the plate. Stop. Damien, stop.
You lucky, bitch ass nigga.
Stop.
Come on. You ain't shit, bro.
Stop, bro.
You ain't shit, bro. You ain't shit. Come on. Let's go. Fuck them, bro. Oh, fuck that, bro. Fuck them, bro. What's up, nigga? Get out of here, bitch. Get out of here. Bitch ass nigga. Hey, shit. Nigga, we were sleeping in, nigga.
Stop. You know better.
Nah, you know better.
Stop.
Give my hand, nigga. Give my hand.
You know better.
Give my hand. Give the hat. Now, because you are text the bitch I fuck with. You weird ass nigga.
I didn't text
We
you.
fucked up bitch already, bro.
That's not my girl.
Now I talking about, oh look, your dude's on the gas. You weird ass nigga.
That's why you call me pressed over. That's gonna be real hard. But he works the same place as I do.
That gentleman, right, that did all that commotion, what's his name? That did all that commotion with you and the lady cop, what's his name? You know his name? When he sobers up and he went, let him know that he made a complete ass of himself. And the shit that he did all the way down there and the disrespectful shit, you better be lucky. Because I know most women can't defend themselves, but I can. I was gonna beat his ass.
Trust me, it's gonna become a thing.
Let him know. He made a complete ass out of himself and a complete ass out of y'all's badge. Tonight, walking up and down this motherfucker. Let him know that. Let him know that. Because I didn't bother that man.
Did something happen with you?
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm walking down. I tell him like, you a lucky man. Cause you know most people that do that, the end result is different. So I know you're somebody. You lucky black man. Me and my friend, we just leaving. We walking, we're smoking. Walks down behind us, we stop, because we're gonna slap people. I'm like, let's just stop and let people walk. He says, smoking's on the track, and then smacks. I said, you know what? I walk him down with him. I tell him, like I said, most people will defend themselves, but I'm one that can't. And I'll beat your ass. And I'm telling you right now, I will beat the living fuck out of you. Yes. The one in the red hat. I said, I would beat your ass. You know that. And because I know who you are, I'm going to give you a pass. Now that I know. But I would whoop your ass. Know that.
Do you want your name included?
No, but I'll see that man one day. And I'm going to let him know that. But I know you can get that message along. So when you get to him, you let that motherfucker know. He was touched by an angel. Twice.